before, and elevators, because the word sounds like death. Do some meal. So it's Sunday morning, well, Sunday midday, having a bit of an unsuccessful morning. So I was trying to go to a Jimjilbang, which is a Korean bathhouse, spa, sauna thing. But a lot of them closed down. I didn't go last time I was here because of COVID, and like it spread everywhere. A lot of them closed down. Whereas this time they are open, but a lot of them closed down because they went out of business. So I couldn't find them on any maps. I mean, I tried to find one and it was closed today, so couldn't go there. And then I went to try and get some acupuncture to try and sort out my ankle because it's Sunday, also closed. So I'm just off to Hemian Brunch Bar, so Sunjae's restaurant for some brunch, so hopefully get some good food. Video, yeah, we can do a video. Yeah, we can do a video. Thank you. I'll get my coffee.
I licked it, so it's mine. Oh, you're filming me.
Who lives in this one? It's like quite English or something. Some beers to hang out at the Han River. Come to the Han River for some beers at sunset, although I think the sun's maybe slightly set already. But still, like, quite a lot of people around. It's Sunday night. I'm going to meet a few of the guys down here. So it's a thing to do. You go get beer or chicken and beer down by the Han River, take a cycle, or people bring their like camper vans around here as well. Like, full-on camping gear. You'll see like tents and gazebos. So it's nice. So I've got a few beers in here. I think we might hit Noraebang later in Shinsa for some singing, which again is quite a Korean thing to do. So we're having a very Korean night tonight. So I'm just waiting for the other guys, but let's go through the little beer selection. So got Bathing Ape. I didn't know we did a beer, but apparently here it is. Then we have this one. It's like a Seoul brewery, Hannamdong. and then a Jeju one. So there's like 4 or 5 different Jeju beer companies. This is one of them. So when I was on Jeju, I had this. So Jeju, Seoul, and Vape. Good selection. Bridge is doing its thing.
You good?
Yeah, it's still cold.
Just fucking getting psych.
Psych for the chicken, man.
Your lights up.
Enjoy.
Don't know how to use chopsticks? Ooh.
Chicken. How do you say chicken?
Chicken.
Just chicken. It doesn't matter.
물, Noraebang. Where's the sounds going?
How does it work? Like you pay by the hour? Yeah. 네.
What's up? So I've got Kalguksu, which is chopped noodles, like scissors cut noodles. This place is in Hannamdong. It's apparently one of the best in the country, or therefore the world. So it's got one branch, it's not really a chain. It looks really good. Just came out really quickly. I sat down, ordered, and within about 2 minutes it arrived. They don't do many things on the menu. So they got this, dumplings, and then 2 other things, that's it. So I'm on my own little booth, so you often get here and you don't know where the chopsticks are and stuff, but then hidden drawer.
Rest a little bit. Yeah. Try to reach your hands out in the air in the hole. Can you hold there? There we go. 3, 2, 1. Rest a little bit.
Rice water or milk, yeah.
Where do I get
It's
that?
Mexican.
Is it nice?
Mexican?
It's
It's amazing.
This is Mexican.
Mexican nice.
It's so good.
So last day, just about to drop my crutches back at the hospital. I'll get a check up, but not much I can really do. Having a little stop at the hospital to drop these bad boys off. Going to the physio, got some weird suction things on my foot. Foot's got a bit. I do love a bit of smell talk. Having a nice walk in Seoul Forest. So watching my videos last year, see I spent quite a lot of time here because I was living nearby and I quite liked the green space in the middle of the city. But I didn't actually make it down this time, partially because of my foot, because I couldn't really get that far, but it's slightly better, so I'm still like limping a little bit, but it seems to have got worse actually the last day. I think I've just been overdoing, I've just been still trying to walk on it. I visited the doctor earlier, he said I just need to elevate and ice it. Had a little bit of physio. I had some, the suction machine that just sucked my foot for a bit. I think it felt a little bit better, but I don't know how much difference it will really make. So I'll just walk around here a little bit, just enjoy the nature. I used to do some training on that soft surface at the back over there last year. Incheon airport, just about to leave. Flight's at like 20 to midnight, so it's about 10 o'clock now. Getting some flashbacks to last time I was here, or like last time I left here, where I thought everything was fine, and then I had to hastily cancel my flight and rebook it because the quarantine all the requirements changed last minute, or rather I didn't check them. So I think I'm fine this time, but I don't know. It's a nagging feeling in the back of my head that I haven't done something, but we'll see. Just feels weird when it's completely empty. It feels like I shouldn't be here.
Activated. Please be informed that this is just part of regular system check and continue normal activities. Thank you.
King's Day, I'm going via Amsterdam, so they gave us a waffle to check in, so that kind of makes up a little bit for the lack of food.